We all know just how tempting fabric can be. And at Festival of Quilts or some of the other quilt shows, I mean, we do tend to get carried away. But I was very pleased with my purchase, which was from the Oakshott stand. It was their new range of fatter eighths, their new bundle called Lakes. Michael has done a great job, I think, with these, but of course they're in my favourite colours. They're blue through mauve, so what's not to like? But actually the quilt behind me is a very easy quilt. It's very economical too, because I used Michael's fat eighths. One of the other things that I was privileged to do was talk to Our Refill threads. Now, they have some beautiful threads. They're 60 weights, and I got to choose a pack that matches my lovely fabrics. Now you can buy these from us on Justhands-on because Alex has very kindly bundled them together just for us. So you won't be able to get these together anywhere else.